Don't want to ruin the box. So we're just gonna cut the tape like that. Alright, it's going. How are we doing, YouTube? What's going on? How are you doing today? So, I just got my GoPro Hero5 Black in the mail yesterday, and I haven't opened it yet because I've been wanting to do this video. Been really busy finishing up stuff with school. So I thought, I want to do an unboxing video. But I had to film it today because we're going hiking tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. and I want the GoPro for that adventure. So, let's get started. I've done every one of these unboxing videos a little bit differently. If you've probably noticed that if you've watched my other ones. So this one's different than all my other ones because why not? So I have everything up there on my shelf, my camera shelf. Here it is. The GoPro Hero5 Black. It's 4K video, does 12 megapixel photos. Waterproof, has voice control, stabilization, and the touch display. So let's open it up. Don't want to ruin the box. So we're just gonna cut the tape like that. How does this part work? You just pull it out? I guess you do. I guess you just pull it out. So there we are. It's got a little booklet. Battery. USB cable, 2 of the adhesive mounts, which are great for car mounts. I already have one mounted in my car, so just more for whatever. I have one from the Hero 4, and I think it will still screw into the same one, hopefully. There's nothing in this part. They tricked me. I thought there was something in this. Well, you think if it's folded like that, oh, there's something in there. There's not. Wait, how do you do this? It says it detaches that way, but I don't know what I was doing, so I don't need that adhesive mount that much. So there's the GoPro. Here, let me get that in focus for you instead of me. So, very tiny, just like they all are. But I didn't just get the GoPro, I got a bunch of attachments and stuff too, so we're gonna open all of it. Yeah, let's clean up this area. I also got a 64 gig SD card for it, and we have other micro ones around the house. And I probably will get more storage space since it's 4K, it's going to take up more, but to start out with. And I'm not going to open that yet until we do the test footage, so I don't want to lose it. I also got this, which no, I didn't buy a bag, but it comes with all sorts of attachments. So let's open it up and see what we got. So this looks like the flotation stick, you know, that floats in the water. It's nice and durable, it seems. Pretty good grip there. So it might just do well, even just for non-water purposes, just to grip that GoPro. Very nice. Another cleaning cloth. I don't know what this is. This looks like it's for your handlebar on your bike or something. So got that. Got it's like chest and head mounts, which is very convenient to have. We use them a lot in our Hero 4 Silver Edition. So very good. Just more little mounts that look like they screw into different attachments. Like that one looks like it could screw into the top of a tripod. Got a selfie stick that the GoPro can sit on. And I've already screwed that on. So you can turn it on and start filming all the way over there. I don't know how durable this actually is. I mean, the GoPro doesn't weigh very much, so it's probably fine. I don't know, we'll just have to test it out later. Still got more. I also purchased this. It's a tripod and arm and grip all in one. It's from GoPro. These other accessories I have are third party. So let's take a look. Didn't think it would fall out. But it all fell in my lap, it's good. So you hold it there. And let these tighten down and lock. Yeah, so it tightens down like that. Then you screw the GoPro in. So you can just walk around with that. A little bit more sturdy than this thing. Now how do you use it as a tripod? That's what I want to know. Found it. I'm smart, just look at the box. Look at it! Oh, you can use it that way too, so you can actually just oh, look at that. It rocks a little bit, but I probably just didn't tighten it. I've turned it on the first time. Battery, of course, didn't come charged. I didn't think it would. It said it was touchscreen. Not doing anything. Well, it's like frozen or something on the screen. Nothing's doing anything. Oh, there we go. So it was just frozen. So the date. Short press powers on, long press powers off. So it's right there. Okay. Switches between video and photo modes. Adds highlight tags while recording. So up here, captures video and photos. Quick capture. Short press for video, long press for time lapse. Ooh, I want to do time lapse stuff. When your GoPro is off, press shutter to power on and start recording automatically. Oh, that's it. That's this tutorial. I'll have to test it out.